Hello everyone! When traveling in China, one of the things that you will notice is that every place has their own local specialties and delicacies. My name is Jeffrey and today we are in the city of Xi'an, the provincial capital of the province of Shanxi. And today I will take you to a restaurant, a famous restaurant that has a dish that the locals absolutely adore and that tourists come from far and wide to enjoy. That dish is called Yangrou Paomo, pita bread soaked in lamb soup. Mwah, absolutely delicious. I'm super excited. Let's go! So today we are trying the Yangrou Paomo, pita bread in lamb soup. So here we have one bowl with two pita breads, the mo. Here we have the tang suan, so the sweet garlic with the spicy sauce, very tasty. And of course, the local soft drink called ice bean bingfeng, super delicious. Who will tell me more about the right way, how to break the mo, the bread, because actually there's a special way to do it. So let's ask for some information. For Yangrou Paomo, one of the key ingredients is the pita bread. Rumor has it, the dish was brought to Xi'an through businessmen that came here on the Silk Road. They would take the freshly made breads, hang them on their camels, and when they arrived in Xi'an, the bread would be all dried up and hard. The local cooks would then boil them in lamb soup and found it was super tasty. In order to get the best taste, it is best to break the bread into pieces about the size of a soybean. Did you break it any bigger or even smaller? No worries. The cook will adjust the amount of soup and cooking time based on the size of the broken pieces of bread to get the most out of every bowl. And don't forget to enjoy the process. According to the locals, the breaking has to be done slowly. Take your time, talk to your friends, take a step back from your busy life. So now finally we have finished breaking the bread, so it's time to give the bowl to the cook and get me some bowl of Yangrou Paomo. Sweet, not sweet, very tender, juicy. Wow, 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 wow. Best lamb I have ever eaten in my life. Let's try another piece. That was one bowl of Paomo heaven, the lamb, the bread, the soup, absolutely delicious. I'm all warmed up right now. And actually, Paomo is not the only dish that you can get in Xi'an. There are many, many more. And actually eating, enjoying food and snacks has been a way of living, a way to relax. It's become part of local culture and it's passed on from generation to generation. And I would like to invite you to enjoy all the delicacies Xi'an has to offer and become part of this local culture. Hope to see you soon.